everyone, so today we are now in the actual unit of 2-bedroom with balcony of Uptown Arts Residence. So our unit is keycard access na. And upon entering, on this side will be our smart home switches. While ito naman yung intercom na connected sa lobby natin. And on this side will be our kitchen area. Kinagandahan dito is granite kitchen top tayo and our kitchen sink and retractable faucet came from Prague. And on top of that, we have 2 doors, refrigerator, 4-burner induction hub, and built-in microwave oven. Siyempre, may kasama na rin ang range hood. On top of that, 2-bedroom has a maid's room. So this will be our maid's room na may provision for washer and dryer. And on top of that, ang maid's room natin is meron na siyang sariling toilet and bath. So tara guys, dito naman will be our spacious living area. And kagandahan dito, yung living area natin is meron na siyang access on the balcony. So pag meron tayong mga bisita, kinagandahan is lalabas na lang tayo to enjoy the view of Uptown Bonifacio Township. So next natin is our bedroom unit. So on this side will be our bedroom number 1. So upon entering, mapapansin na natin na ceramic blank finish na siya. And on top of that, may kasama na tayong modular closet upon turnover. And we have 1 inverter split type aircon for bedroom number 1. And on this side naman, our shared toilet and bath. So, upon turnover, complete sanitary fittings na tayo. Syempre, may kasama na yan, complete shower set, lavatory, and even toilet and bath mirror. While on this side will be our master's bedroom. So upon entering, meron tayo mga smart home switches and the view of Uptown Bonifacio. Siyempre, meron din tayong kasama modular closet. And our master's bedroom have its own split type inverter. So, ang inverter natin dito is dalawa. 1 for the bedroom number 1 and 1 for the master's bedroom. Siyempre, may kasama pa rin tayong aircon sa living area. So, for 2 bedroom, meron tayong 3 split type aircon. And master's bedroom have its own toilet and bath. So for those interested, you can contact me on my details below so that I can assist you with your property investment. So what you're waiting for? Inquire now.